Still that too sleepy. Count Fabulous, wake up! You're gonna be late for school, duh. You must wake up now. I'm still too sleepy, sis. No, you're gonna wake up now. Wake up. You're gonna be late for school. Duh. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Ouch. Sis. Okay, fine. Good job, my dear. I'm not going to go to summer, okay? I'm just going to go. See ya, Confabulous later. I'm still too sleepy. I'm going to get my breakfast. Eat this. Done. I think I'm going to dress up. Stay right there. Aha, I'm done. Now I look so pretty. Ta-da! Let me go. I need to go. High school. It sucks. And now I'm this high school. That's really... Hey, where's people? My tiara. Well, what do we have here? Oh, you're being high school, but you're not welcome here. Only humans can go here and have high school. You're not welcome. Friends, where are you? Fine. And you're not welcome. Think about that. Fine. I guess I'm not really welcome. I'm just going to go in class. Not again. Oh, we are classmates. We're classmates. You're... Okay, class, we're now ready to start. Okay? So okay, dismiss. Oh yeah, I gotta go. Excuse me. I guess high school's really hard. I think I'm just going to go home. Sis, I'm home. Oh, you're there. So, how's high school? How's high school? It sucks. I hate being high school. I think I'm just going to go to sleep and just stay away. Okay, see you tomorrow.